Inside YG Marley's life, music, family, and his breakthrough hit Praise Jah in the Moonlight. Joshua Nesta YG Marley, born December 5, 2001, is an American singer and songwriter. He is the son of rapper and singer Lauryn Hill and former football player Rohan Marley, and the grandson of reggae pioneer Bob Marley. He is best known for his 2023 debut single Praise Jah in the Moonlight, which entered the top 40 of the Billboard Hot 100 and peaked within the top 10 in the United Kingdom, New Zealand, Norway, and Sweden. Joshua Nesta Marley was born on December 5, 2001, in Beverly Hills, California. He is the son of American rapper and singer Lauryn Hill and Jamaican football player Rohan Marley. His parents never legally married, but had a long-term partnership for 15 years. Marley is also the grandson of reggae musician Bob Marley. He has numerous siblings and half-siblings between his parents, including sister and model Selah Marley and half-brother, former NFL player Nico Marley. He was raised in South Orange, New Jersey. During his childhood, Marley often joined his mother on stage at her concerts. At the age of 9, he declared, "I wanna rap to an audience at Hill's concert." In 2013, he began performing original material during her shows. His early exposure to music was greatly influenced by the diverse sounds he heard at home, ranging from his mother's soulful R&B to his grandfather's iconic reggae. In 2017, he landed a modeling campaign for Urban Outfitters and was featured alongside his sister Selah in Teen Vogue. In February 2018, he joined his mother during her performance at Woolrich's New York Fashion Week party. The following month, Marley previewed a then-unreleased snippet of A Nice for What by Drake on his Snapchat. In 2020, Marley attended a pre-Grammy Awards brunch hosted by Universal Music Group and told Billboard that he was working on new music, and further stated that Hill would be featured on the project. In 2021, Vibe reported that he was featured on a track called A Slick by Selah Marley. In late 2023, he began performing an original song, Praise Jah in the Moonlight, during Hill's concert tour commemorating the 25th anniversary of the miseducation of Lauryn Hill. Video clips from his performances went viral on social media, most notably on TikTok. On December 25, 2023, Marley officially released Praise Jah in the Moonlight, his first single. The single quickly became a streaming hit, reaching #1 in the United States and global Spotify Viral 50 charts. In addition to gaining popularity on TikTok, the film Bob Marley, One Love, based on Bob's life, was released after the debut of YG's single Praise Jah in the Moonlight. Marley's musical style blends elements of reggae, hip-hop, and R&B, reflecting the rich musical heritage of his family while also incorporating contemporary influences. His lyrical themes often touch on spirituality, personal growth, and social justice, mirroring the socially conscious messages his mother and grandfather are known for. In January 2024, it was announced that he would be a featured performer at the 2024 Coachella Music Festival. The following month, Praise Jah in the Moonlight peaked at #1 in New Zealand. It entered the US Billboard Hot 100, with Marley becoming the 6th member of the Marley family to enter the chart. It also reached the top 10 in the United Kingdom and Norway. On March 31, 2024, he teased a remix of Praise Jah in the Moonlight, featuring Lauryn Hill on Aiden Ross Kickstream. Joshua's upbringing was deeply rooted in music and culture. Growing up in a household where music was a central part of daily life, he was inspired by the sounds of his mother's and grandfather's recordings. He spent time learning about the musical heritage of the Marley family, which instilled in him a profound respect for the power of music to effect change. Outside of his music career, Marley is known for his love of sports and fashion. He is an avid soccer player and enjoys skateboarding in his free time. Marley is also passionate about social justice and frequently uses his platform to advocate for causes such as racial equality and environmental sustainability. Looking ahead, Joshua Nesta Marley has expressed his desire to continue evolving as an artist and exploring new musical territories. He has hinted at several upcoming collaborations with other artists and producers, aiming to blend different genres and create a unique sound. His goals include not only achieving personal success, but also contributing to the legacy of the Marley family by using his music to inspire and uplift others. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more exciting Jamaican content.